Welcome back. This is Caitlin Catoni, and we are going to look at how to use the Bookstore website. So first, go to your OCC website and hover over the Current Students tab, which is in the top banner. Once you're in the Current Students tab, you can bring your cursor down and to the left and hover over Bookstore and click. Once the Bookstore webpage loads, you're going to go over to the left-hand side of the screen and click the down arrow next to the word textbooks. Even though you might not want to buy your textbooks right this moment, hit the Buy Textbooks button. In the Buy Textbooks area, you're going to be able to find the list of required materials for your course. The way to do this is to scroll down and fill in all of these drop-down menus with the appropriate information. I'm going to do that really quick for one of my classes. So once I've filled in all of those, I'm going to hit Add Course to List. At this moment, you can either look at the textbooks for that class, or you can go through and add another course. So when you're ready, come over to the right-hand side of your screen and click Get Your Books. Now you see all of the things that are listed as required or recommended for your course. If you want to buy them right now, you can. And in order to do so, you would put in the quantity number. Then scroll down and hit Purchase. From there, it should be an easy credit card transaction. I hope this video helped you figure out what materials are required for your courses and also how to use the Bookstore website to purchase them.